Okay, I've got as far as I think I want to go with the welding on the body at the moment. To be honest, I'm getting a bit fed up with it. So I think I'm pretty much there. But the next stage is to put the body back onto the chassis so that I can make and fit the panels that touch or go between the body and the chassis. So I need them to marry up. But before I do that, I've just realised that I've not shown you guys what I've done to the chassis. So the wheels are on. I've got the braces on for the petrol tank when it comes. I've got a petrol pump on. I've run all of the brake lines in now, and all of the shackles, I think you call them, for that hold the suspension together, and the axle onto the suspension are all new and been replaced. New handbrake cable, so all that's new. Lots of purchases. I've refurbished the shock absorbers front and back, so they're all on now, and engine and gearbox are in, so, and the prop shaft. So I had the prop shaft powder coated at the same time I did the rear axle done, got that done. So that's on as well now, and it's all looking nice and shiny. See the suspension's in there, all the brake pipes in the front, everything. So there you go. That's just a very quick update, just so you could see the chassis before I put the body on. Obviously the body's got to come off again to go to sandblasting after I've made those panels, but I just thought I'd give you an update.